What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Corgi AI, which has gone for a major increase in value in the last 24 hours. It is up just over 60% and currently valued at 0.00249 cents. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Corgi AI. Is it going to keep pumping in value? Is it going to drop back down? As you guys can see, since about late December, it's been doing nothing but dropping in value all up until yesterday and today, where it started to pump up. So is it going to keep going up in direction? Is it going to drop back down? And we're going to be looking at its overall prediction for 2024. Is it a crypto to be investing into, and if so, when is the right time to buy it? And looking at its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024, as well as covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see that the value of Corgi AI is currently above the SMA indicator here in purple, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from Corgi AI over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, I'm expecting it to hit red candles in between as well, taking a little bit of a dip, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So yes, by midday tomorrow, do expect Corgi AI to be slanting towards a positive direction and trading at slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. So even though it is likely to hit red candles in between, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we are looking a little bit more too steep, guys. We got the blue and the orange line still looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, we can see that the lines are looking quite steep, meaning this is not realistic. And the reason why they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 to 48 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 7 to 8 days. However, that is not the case. So towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Corgi AI to have dropped back down in value, is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is it's pumped up quite a lot in a space of about 24 hours, which means it is overvalued right now, and its next step is to slowly drop back down over the coming days, hitting red candles. Again, don't get me wrong, it is likely to hit green candles in between as well, but the overall outcome at the moment seems to be more on the negative side. So yes, an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from Corgi AI over the next 7 to 8 days. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we are looking a little bit more skeptical. We do have the blue line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One is looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for Corgi AI? So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so essentially by late February, early March 2024, I'm expecting Corgi AI to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. And the fact that it was dropping in value since late December, as you guys can see here, I'm expecting it to keep dropping in value over the coming weeks and months as well, dropping at a much lower value than where it is at the moment. However, it is likely to take the odd pump in between, just like what's happened earlier today. But again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. And even when it was pumping here earlier on in November and around mid-December, I did warn you guys, do expect the crypto to take a little bit of a step back down in value, as it is overvalued when it was pumping like crazy back in December. And that is exactly what's happened. Even though yes, it is pumping right now, I'm expecting this pump to be very temporary and then for it to drop back down in value over the coming days, weeks and months as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator, and bringing on the Fibonacci scale here, we can see that yes, it did drop back into the dark green zone and literally just flew back up into the top tier level here without any resistance. So that itself shows me that it is not sustainable, as it did not resist at any resistance point, meaning it's just broken out. So it is very likely that the crypto is going to drop back down into the green zone over the coming week or so, week or two, and then potentially drop down into the green zone here by mid to late January, and then potentially drop down into the red zone by February to March is what my expectations are at the moment. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 460% in the last 24 hours, making it $3.7 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is, of course, the value of the crypto has been pumping like crazy over the last 24 to 36 hours, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers, as it is getting a lot of attention and it is getting a lot of traction as well, as it is one of the top gainers. So a lot more people are trading the crypto, which is also helping the value of Corgi AI go up as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Corgi AI, guys. Yes, it has, well, I wouldn't say it's broken out, but it has gone for a major increase, and I'm not expecting it to break out in 2024, as I've seen a lot of people saying the crypto is going to, hit the 1 cent target, is going to break out. Some people even said it's going to hit the dollar mark, which in my opinion is very unlikely, because for it to hit a dollar mark is going to have to go for a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from Corgi AI. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting the crypto to go, and how many zeros can it get rid of in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.